health benefits of chicken liver and heart. Top health benefits of chicken liver and heart. Nutrition you shouldn't miss. Did you know that chicken liver and heart are not just tasty but also packed with amazing health benefits? Today let's explore why you should add them in moderation to your diet. Chicken liver and heart are nutrient-dense superfoods often used in traditional cooking. Beyond their rich flavor, they offer a wide range of health benefits when consumed in moderation. Chicken liver health benefits. Rich in iron, helps prevent anemia. High in vitamin A, good for eyes, skin and immunity. Vitamin B12 and folate, boost red blood cells and brain function. Protein rich, helps muscle repair and growth. Zinc and selenium, strengthen immunity. Note, too much liver can raise cholesterol and vitamin A levels. Eat in moderation. Chicken heart health benefits. Rich in CoQ10, supports heart health and energy production. Iron and zinc, fight fatigue and improve immunity. Protein, muscle strength and recovery. B vitamins, keep nerves and metabolism healthy. Taurine, antioxidant that protects the heart. Collagen and elastin, support skin and joint health. Note, like liver, chicken heart is also high in cholesterol, so balance is key. So chicken liver and heart are truly nutritious, packed with iron, protein and unique nutrients for your blood, heart, skin and immunity. Adding chicken liver and heart occasionally to your meals can boost your iron, protein and vitamin intake naturally. Pair them with vegetables or whole grains for a balanced, nutrient-packed dish. Enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet.